I welcome you all to my channel Southern Menu. Neetu here. Today I am going to show you how to make Rava Kesari by adding milk. This famous South Indian sweet recipe, also known as Sheera. Let's see how to prepare this. For making this kesari, you need almost half a cup of suji or semolina and half a cup of sugar. Then you need 1.5 cup of milk. I have added water and milk in equal quantities, total 1.5 cup. And then you need cashew nut, raisins, elaichi, and also you need almost 2.5 tablespoon of ghee. Let's see how to make this. First heat a kadai and add almost 1 tablespoon of ghee. We need to fry the cashew nut and raisins first. You can add any nuts, even you can add almonds in this. Traditionally, we will add cashew nuts and raisins. Fry this well. You don't need to change the color of cashew nuts, just to heat this. After heating this, change these cashew nuts and raisins into another plate. Into the same ghee, now you have to add the semolina or suji, then roast well. If you have a roasted rava or a double roasted rava, you need to heat this because at that time only the nice aroma will comes out of that. Then only this kesari will be tasty. Roast this almost for 5 minutes in low flame. I have roasted this rava for almost 5 minutes in low flame. Now transfer this rava into another plate and allow this to cool. Now take a kadai and add milk in this. You have to boil this milk. Here I took total 1.5 cup of milk. Allow this milk to boil. When milk started to boil, lower the flame and add this suji or roasted rava slowly. You have to add without any lumps. Mix it well. Make sure that there is no lumps are formed. Stir this continuously. Make sure that there is no lumps are formed because this will spoil the taste of kesari. You have to cook this rava evenly. Stir this well. You can see that rava started getting cooked and it is thick in consistency. At this stage, I'm going to add a pinch of food color. This is completely optional. If you don't have food color, you can use a pinch of turmeric powder, which will give a nice yellowish color. Or even you can use saffron. Now mix everything well. You can see that the rava is cooked and it is very thick in consistency. You should mix this very well. Make sure that there is no lumps are formed. Now you have to add sugar. Here I have taken almost half cup of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar. If you don't want this much sweetness, you can reduce the amount of sugar, or if you want more, you can add more. And I'm going to add remaining ghee into this. Mix everything well. You have to add a sufficient amount of ghee. This will give a nice taste to this kesari. Mix everything well. You can see the consistency of this kesari started to change because the sugar melt. See, I have mixed everything very well. You can see the consistency of kesari. This kesari will leave from side of this vessel. That's the proper consistency. If you feel that it is so sticky, you have to add more ghee into this. Now you have to add fried raisins and cashew nut into this, and also you have to add cardamom powder. Here I have used crushed cardamom. Add everything and mix well. Finally, our milk kesari is ready to serve. All of you should try this and let me know your feedback. This is very easy and a quick sweet recipe, so all of you should try this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for notification. Happy cooking!